I live an ordinary life. I drive an ordinary car, and I live in an ordinary house. But today was no ordinary day. It all started when I had to pick up some groceries at the store. I pulled into the parking lot hoping that there would be a space close to the entrance because it was raining. I got out of the car and ran to the door. After getting my shopping cart, I headed for the non-perishable items first, of course, since I didn't want my ice cream to melt before I got home, or whatever an ordinary person in a grocery store would do. Then, out of nowhere, I heard an incredible crash. A truck slammed through the front of the store, breaking the windows and crashing into a counter. People ran everywhere for cover as the robbers started firing their guns indiscriminately. These guys mean business, and I was just like anybody else. Ordinary. Or was I? I decided that these guys were not going to steal these old ladies' cabbages, so I needed a plan. I would quietly run to the toy aisle and get a few bags of marbles. Stop off at the home department and get a spool of clothesline. And dashed off to the produce for a few coconuts. What they didn't know was that I used to be an ace softball pitcher in high school, and I could throw a lethal ball if I really wanted to. But I knew I only had one shot, so I had to count. So I moved into place and threw my marbles across the floor, yelling at the guys to run towards me. It worked! They tripped up on the marbles and flew into the shelves, dropping their guns. I then had my coconuts at the ready and pummeled them in the head with them. They were out cold, and now I just had to tie them up with a clothesline. When the people in the store realized that they were out of danger, they started to applaud me for saving their lives. It was then that I realized that I wasn't as ordinary as I thought. Until I noticed I locked my keys in the car.